Welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have a fitted full cover for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Introducing a quick and easy way to keep your Spyder looking good when you're not out riding. UltraGard's full cover for the Can-Am Spyder RT is made from a custom dyed polyurethane coated polyester, making it water resistant for maximum protection against weather, dirt, pollution, and anything else Mother Nature can throw at it. This cover has a slew of integrated features for the price point, including highly reflective piping and front logo, so your bike can be seen at night while covered, rust-proof grommets with rubber-coated bungee cords, a SoftTek windshield liner to prevent scratching against your windshield, a scorch-resistant heat shield to protect your cover from getting damaged if your pipes are still hot, and 2 antenna access flaps on both the left and right side of the Spyder. Putting it on couldn't be any easier. Simply remove it from its handy storage pouch, unfold it and find the UltraGard logo. Now pull that end up and over the windshield and mirrors first. Then pull the back over your antenna and around the back seat. And finally, tuck the front over your front wheels and attach those elastic hooks down and around the bottom panels. Now removal is just as easy. Simply unhook the elastic straps and pull off the cover from the bike and fold it into itself small enough to fit back into its handy dandy storage pouch. Oh yeah, and pro tip that UltraGard doesn't really want you to know about: if you sit on the cover after you fold it down, you'll compress all the air out and fit it back into the handy dandy storage pouch. The convenient storage pouch easily fits in your front, trunk, or saddlebags. So if you'd like to protect your Spyder from the elements, head on over to slingmods.com today and pick up a full cover today. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.